Rytr is an artificial intelligence (AI) writing platform that helps users easily create high-quality content for various use cases. It is designed to be an easy-to-use platform that produces content that is both engaging and accurate. Rytr is a great tool for businesses, marketers, and content creators who need to generate content quickly and efficiently. Rytr uses an AI-powered algorithm to generate content in a few simple steps. It starts by gathering relevant data, such as news articles and other sources of information, and then uses this collected data to create a comprehensive picture of the topic. Rytr then uses natural language processing (NLP) to generate a draft of the content. This draft is then edited and improved by Rytr's AI editor, which ensures that the content is accurate and engaging. It can also suggest additional content to make the article more comprehensive. Rytr offers a variety of features to help content creators create higher quality content. For instance, Rytr's AI editor can detect errors in grammar, spelling, and syntax, and suggest corrections. Additionally, Rytr's AI editor can automatically suggest the best images and videos to accompany the content. Rytr also provides a range of tools to help users optimize their content for search engine optimization (SEO). Rytr AI editor can suggest keywords and phrases to include in the content, as well as optimize the content structure for better readability.